Want to grab someone's attention? Show them a video. In today's world, videos are everywhere. They're on our phones, our computers, and even our TVs. And for good reason. People love to watch them. Videos are engaging, informative, and easy to digest. Short videos are the kings of the internet. Think TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. They're quick, they're catchy, and they can go viral in a flash. Why? Because they fit perfectly into our busy lives. We can watch them anywhere, anytime. This essay is your guide to conquering the world of short videos. We'll explore how to make amazing YouTube videos, even if you've never filmed a thing in your life. And the best part, we'll use the power of AI to do it. Get ready to become a YouTube sensation. Imagine this, you upload a video to YouTube, it gets views, likes, and subscribers, all while you're sleeping. That's the magic of YouTube automation. YouTube automation is like having a team of helpers working for you 24/7. It's about working smarter, not harder. You can schedule videos to upload automatically so you're always feeding your audience fresh content. Automation also helps you beat the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm decides which videos get seen by the most people. Consistency is key. If you upload regularly, YouTube rewards you by showing your videos to a wider audience. But that's not all. Automation frees up your time so you can focus on the fun stuff, coming up with creative ideas, and connecting with your viewers. Ready to create videos that look like they were made by a Hollywood pro? Vidnoz AI is your new best friend. This powerful tool uses artificial intelligence to make video creation a breeze. Think of it as having your own personal video editing team, but without the hefty price tag. With Vidnoz, you don't need fancy cameras, actors, or studios. Vidnoz lets you create stunning videos using avatars. These avatars can be customized to look like anyone, and they can even talk. Just type in your script, choose your avatar and voice, and voila! Vidnoz does the rest. Vidnoz is perfect for explainer videos. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand visuals. Product reviews, showcase products and services in engaging ways. Educational content, make learning fun and accessible for everyone. With Vidnoz, the possibilities are endless. Short attention spans? No problem. Gravity Write's AI Shorts Creator is here to help you create videos that capture attention from the first second. This tool is all about making short, snappy videos that are tailor-made for platforms like YouTube Shorts. It takes your ideas and turns them into scroll-stopping masterpieces. Gravity Write's secret sauce is its ability to understand what makes content go viral. It analyzes trends and uses that knowledge to craft videos that are optimized for maximum engagement. Here's how it works. Provide key points. Give Gravity Write a few bullet points about your topic. Let AI do its magic. The AI generates a script and adds visuals, music, and effects. Customize your video, fine-tune the details to match your brand and style. Creating viral videos has never been easier. Section 5. Clap turn long videos into short sensations. Already have a library of long-form videos? Whether it's a collection of webinars, podcasts, interviews, or any other extensive content, managing and making the most out of them can be a daunting task. Clap is your go-to tool for transforming them into bite-sized content goldmines. Imagine turning hours of footage into engaging, shareable clips that capture the essence of your content. Clap specializes in taking long videos, think podcasts, webinars, or interviews, and slicing and dicing them into engaging short clips. This means you can easily highlight the best parts without losing the essence of your original content. It's like having a personal video editor who knows exactly which moments will resonate with viewers. No more guessing games. Clap's intuitive interface makes the process seamless and efficient. Clap uses AI to identify the most interesting and shareable parts of your videos. The AI technology scans through your content to pinpoint those golden moments that are sure to captivate your audience. It then adds captions, subtitles, and eye-catching visuals to keep viewers hooked. These enhancements not only make your videos more accessible but also more engaging. Clap makes it easy to repurpose existing content, breathe new life into old videos, and reach a wider audience. By turning your long-form content into short, impactful clips, you can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create teasers and trailers to generate excitement for your longer content. These short previews can serve as a powerful tool to draw viewers in and encourage them to watch the full-length versions. Share key takeaways to highlight the most important points of your videos. This way, even if viewers don't have time to watch the entire video, they can still get the main insights. With Clap, you can maximize the impact of your video content, no matter how long or short it is. Whether you're looking to create quick highlights or in-depth summaries, Clap has got you covered. Section 6. InVideo.ai-Faceless Videos, Real Results. Camera shy? No problem. With InVideo.ai, you can create stunning videos without ever stepping in front of the camera. InVideo.ai lets you create professional-looking YouTube videos without ever showing your face. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business owner, this tool is designed to help you produce high-quality videos effortlessly. This powerful tool is perfect for anyone who wants to stay behind the scenes while still creating high-quality content. It's ideal for tutorials, explainer videos, product reviews, and even vlogs, and anything else you can imagine. The possibilities are endless with InVideo.ai. InVideo.ai offers a wide range of templates, stock footage, and music to bring your vision to life. You can choose from thousands of pre-made templates that suit any genre or style, and music to bring your vision to life. The extensive library ensures that you have all the resources you need at your fingertips. You can easily add text, animations, and transitions to create videos that are both informative and visually appealing. The intuitive interface makes it simple to customize every aspect of your video, and transitions to create videos that are both informative and visually appealing. With just a few clicks, you can transform your ideas into engaging content. InVideo.ai is perfect for creating tutorials and how-to videos, showing viewers how to do something without needing to be on camera. It's a great way to share your knowledge and expertise, showing viewers how to do something without needing to be on camera. Making explainer videos, using animations and visuals to break down complex concepts. You can create step-by-step guides that are easy to follow, using animations and visuals to break down complex concepts. Sharing news and information, presenting information in a clear and engaging way. It's perfect for educational content and corporate training. Presenting information in a clear and engaging way. With InVideo.ai, you can create videos that captivate your audience and convey your message effectively. With InVideo.ai, you can let your creativity shine through, even without being in the spotlight. It's time to unleash your potential and create videos that make an impact. Section 7. The challenges of the automation game. YouTube automation is a fantastic tool, but it's not a magic bullet. There are a few challenges you'll need to overcome to achieve lasting success. Firstly, the YouTube algorithm is constantly changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Staying up to date on the latest best practices is crucial. This means keeping an eye on your analytics, experimenting with different video formats, and adapting your strategy as needed. Secondly, the competition is fierce. Millions of videos are uploaded to YouTube every day. You need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. Finally, while AI tools can do amazing things, they can't replace human creativity and ingenuity. You'll still need to bring your own unique ideas and perspectives to the table. Section 8. Stand out from the crowd. Unique content is king. In a sea of YouTube videos, how do you make yours stand out? The answer is simple. Create unique and valuable content that people actually want to watch. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Instead, focus on your passions, interests, and expertise. What can you offer that no one else can? Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you've identified your niche, focus on creating content that caters to that specific audience. Provide value. Think about what your target audience wants to learn, see, or experience. Offer them something they won't find anywhere else. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through in your videos. People connect with authenticity. Section 9. AI, your partner in YouTube success. The world of video creation is changing rapidly, and AI is leading the charge. From automating tedious tasks to providing creative suggestions, AI is revolutionizing how we approach content creation. By embracing these powerful tools, you can unlock a world of possibilities and achieve YouTube success faster than you ever thought possible. Imagine having a virtual assistant that helps you edit, optimize, and even brainstorm new ideas for your videos. Don't be intimidated by AI. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easier for you to focus on your creativity. These tools are designed to make your life easier and help you create amazing content. Remember, experiment. The more you explore, the more you'll discover the unique features that can elevate your videos. Don't be afraid to try out different AI tools and see what works best for you. Be patient. Each tool has its own learning curve, but the time invested will pay off in the long run. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistency is key, and with AI, you can streamline your workflow to maintain a steady output of high-quality content. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Every successful YouTuber started from zero. Have fun. Video creation should be enjoyable. When you enjoy the process, it reflects in your content, making it more engaging for your audience. If you're not having fun, it will show in your content. Your audience can sense your enthusiasm and passion, which keeps them coming back for more. So what are you waiting for? The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Dive into the world of AI-powered video creation and start sharing your story with the world. Embrace the technology and let it be your partner in achieving YouTube success.